Bible Space Time. Today's topic is Bible and multiverse.
How do the scriptures say about the multiverse theory? In 2 Corinthians 12:2, Paul said, "I know a man in Christ, who 14 years ago, was caught up to the third heaven." If we just read this verse only, it looks like there are 3 layers of heavens. But if we read what Solomon said in 2 Chronicles 6:18, there could be more than 3 layers of heavens.
But will God in very deed dwell with men on the earth? Behold, heaven and the heaven of heavens cannot contain thee. How much less this house which I have built?
If there are just 2 heavens, Bible would not use these words, heaven, and the heaven of heavens. Or heavens, even the highest heavens. These expressions need 3 or more heavens. And if the heaven of heavens refer to the highest heaven, then the first heaven should be the closest heaven to us. The closest heaven to us, according to the Bible, is our solar system.
And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. And God called the firmament heaven.
If we consider our solar system as the smallest unit of heaven, then there are countless number of heavens in the space. But it is not sure if Solomon was referring to our solar system when he talked about the first heaven. When we see the stars in the night sky, we don't say that some stars are in the first heaven and some stars is in the second heaven. Because from a common sense, all the stars in our night sky belong to our heaven. This multiverse concept of the universe was actually mentioned on the first verse of the first book of the Bible. In the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 says, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth."
Interestingly, New International Version and King James Version translations are taking different view about the same words in this Bible verse. Regardless of original Hebrew meanings of these words, this heaven should be interpreted as heavens, because 2 Chronicles 6:18 clearly mentioned that there are more than one heaven.
Therefore, it is clear that Bible supports the idea that there are more than one universe. But biblical multiverse concept is different from scientific multiverse theory, which is strongly based on parallel universe theory. The highest heaven, that is described as the third heaven by Paul, is the place where God and angels live. It is not a copy of our universe, or not a parallel universe. So if there are second heaven or some other heavens, all these heavens should be unique places, not a copy of other universes.
Thank you for watching Bible Space Time.